Where's he gone? What? I've straight lost him. I can't even hear him. Oh. This is the actual proper first ride on this bike. I've only test rode it for like 2 minutes. I've not even gone out on a proper ride yet, so this is it. Like off the bat, this thing is scary compared to the fucking Talaria. Like you don't even have to try to pop it up, it just pops up, like it just goes. 231 miles, we're gonna put the miles up today. No, I'm gonna enjoy this bike, that's for sure. Like watch this. Whoa. Holy shit, this is so much smoother. Oh my god, this is actually, what the yo! And I'm thinking about getting a controller for it eventually, because right now it's running the stock 8 kilowatts of power, but we can get out 10 kilowatts from the stock. Oh my god, this is so much quicker. From the stock battery, the stock motor. Yo, what the fuck? I'm not used to it. This is mental. Yeah, man. How we doing? Oh shit! This shit just doesn't move. I don't. It's not that serious, is it? But we'll go on 1, 3, 2, 1. He's bars. A little? Is it on? Bro, this feels mental. I know, I heard it straight away. Apple throttle. We hit the restrictor, boys. Oh, he's got this on there. No way. I've just seen that. What a method to put that on. Counted this. God's sake, man. That'll do. I've got to fully compress this suspension to get it to loose. Oh shit, it's all good. Hello. Ow! That well slapped me. Jesus. What happened to that road? Fuck's sake. Oh shit. Is he going back up or are we going down there? Oh my god. Whoa. Off my start? Yep. This tree right here. Yeah. Play the video. Oh my. This guy landed flat. Why do I feel like? I think your wheel hit your fender up.
Yeah, I think it did. Sorry.
No, it's all good. Oh shit. Oh. Can't fucking see. Where is the actual log thing? Shit.
And then we'll put the next one.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. When is it your birthday? When is it your birthday? Oh, yeah. That is nice. Let me see where the jump is. You go through the middle here, and then just straight over. That's butter, that. Oh shit, there's a dog. Hey. Oh, that looks so smooth. Why do I do it so well when you're not recording? Oh. I did it the other way, not as smooth. You're very welcome, don't worry. Oh my goodness. Oh no, it's there. Piggy! Piggy! Piggy? That's Piggy not responding. Piggy! Yes, bro. Big hill. Oh, I can't be getting the back dirty, man. Oh, suspension. Jesus. Yeah, mate, I'm going the other way. Fuck that. Where's he now? Where's he gone? What? I've straight lost him. Surely he's down here, right? I can't even hear him. Oh.